The cylinder kit consists of a new cylinder, a piston ring, and a new screw for the piston ring keeper. The piston ring seals the piston to the cylinder, so the piston can create compressed air. Over time, the piston ring and cylinder will wear. When this occurs, air will leak past the piston ring out of the cylinder. The compressor will continue to run without building tank pressure. Installing a new cylinder kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before performing any repairs on your air compressor, be sure to unplug it and drain the air out of the tank. I'll begin by separating the motor assembly from the tank. The two screws secure the motor to the tank assembly. With them removed, now I can slide the motor away from the mounts on the tank and pull it free. With the motor removed from the tank, now I need to split the two halves of the motor housing. It's secured with a series of screws. With the screws removed, now I can pull the housings apart. Now I'll remove the cylinder head from the cylinder. Now I'll remove the connecting rod from the flywheel. I'll use a screwdriver to bind the flywheel against the end bell. And I'll remove the piston and cylinder assembly from the compressor. Now I'll remove the piston from the cylinder and remove the piston ring keeper. Now I'll install the new piston ring that came with the kit. I'll place the ring onto the piston, reinstall the keeper, and secure it with the new screw that came in the kit. Now I'll place the piston into the new cylinder. The connecting rod needs to pass through the top of the cylinder, and then I pulled the piston ring into the cylinder. You don't want to insert it from the bottom because it'll bend the piston ring back. And now I can reinstall the piston and cylinder into the compressor. I'll place the connecting rod and cylinder through the end bell and reattach the connecting rod to the flywheel. Now I'll reinstall the valve in the head. I'll torque the head bolts to between 49 and 55 inch-pounds of torque. Now install the pump assembly back into the housings. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor assembly onto the tank and securing it with the screws.